Hey. I'm in the fin.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy High Chris. Hey, little S-Class in the building. Nothing wrong with that.
Maybe if we hit a little underpass, I'ma go crazy and give a little Burble. I'm in the fin.
Y'all know. Back at it again. Back on my bullshit. Yeah, bro. Today I'm gonna just give y'all a little POV downtown, you know, the usual, some updates, just that, what you having, what not. I'm almost done with stage 1. Shout out to 1K subscribers though. Appreciate y'all boys, man. Y'all really held it down. I think we can get a lot more subs though. I've been watching the analytics, so guys, please sub to the channel, like the channel, like the content. Comment on the content. Whether it's good comment, good stuff or bad, man, it doesn't matter. Just speak your mind. I'm always open to constructive criticism, you know, dislikes, likes, inspiration, anything, man. I appreciate you guys. I will be doing a 1K giveaway, so I'll let you guys know how I'm gonna select the winner for that within the next, I say, week or two. And yeah, man, shit's been going good though. The kids are good, growing up. Mello's already 2. Cyan's about to be 1, like 2 or 3 months. So yeah, bro, been chilling. Still have the sales opportunity. Gonna be working at Aldi as well. So yeah, bro, just been having some updates let you guys know about. Still saying more High Chris. Hey, I didn't know the fuck going on, man. Bro, if I can only show you guys half of the content I could have gotten. But sometimes, man, I just like to enjoy the car. Like, I'd rather just, you know, embrace the moment rather than take out my damn camera and, you know, have to record it. It is great to give you guys the content, and obviously, you know, like, I have goals with my content, but I'm gonna put this shit in Burble in one map for you guys. I'm gonna let you guys hear some shit in an underpass real quick. Yes, sir. And we behind the Corvette. Yes, sir. Wait till we get to these walls though. Pause. Well, actually not pause, but yeah. Anyways, oh, there's a bump right here. I hate this bump right here. Hey, that's not that bad. But yeah, man. Shit. Gonna be downtown giving you guys a POV. Where are you going? But I'm in sport mode right now, my guy. I don't got traction control off, but shit, you know, might have to take that thing off real quick. What's wrong with that guy? Anyways, tints, headlight tints. Hey, bro, this car is so fucking fast, bro. Don't make sense. Don't make sense. Put her in Burble though. Put her in Burble. Ooh, and we buy these walls too. Yes, sir. This is what time it is. You know what time it is. Oh my God, bro. That sounds so crazy. Oh, it's sad, nigga. Oh, I fucking love this fucking car, bro. Bro, it's been almost a year, bro, and I still get the same fucking feeling, bro. That's how you know, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Crazy. I think we're gonna go home. I think that's enough, bro. I think that's enough. I'm scaring people, bro. Can't be doing this. But yeah, man. Once I get stage 1, then we're gonna go to AMS intercoolers, at least E50, E60. So that means high pressure, low pressure fuel pump, flex fuel kit, analyzer, ethanol analyzer, flex fuel filter. What else? But yeah, we'll be going E50 with the whole AMS kit. What we got going on, Brady? And then actually, I'll probably just go straight, you know, fuck it. Hey, fucking bumps, bro. Oh, that wasn't too bad though. That wasn't too bad. But yeah, when we go E50, AMS intercoolers, expansion tank, probably carbon fiber fenders, probably new headlights. What else? Gonna clean up the engine bay with some blue silicone hoses. Going to also put spacers on the wheels, which is gonna be crazy. I already told you about the tents. What else? Bunch of stuff coming up, man. I can't wait. Wheels, I'm probably gonna stage 3, but because I'm chilling with the wheels right now. But yeah, I'll let you guys know. We're in downtown right now. I'll give you guys a quick downshift here. That's a light one. It's got this old man here, so I don't really want to approach him too fast. But yeah, I'm about to get back on Oki. Give you guys a little throttle under the underpass again. And then that'll be a wrap. Hey, nice little dope ass Audi. See, shit's clean. Quick little Burble for the fucking hood. Hey, fucking with it. Hey. Yeah, we about to give a little throttle for them boys. Yes, sir, bro. VR30 season, bro. Every time, bro. Miles per gallon is serious, bro. And I mean, like, I'm not even gonna show y'all boys what my mile per gallon is right now. Hey, hear you, bro. I'm not even gonna show y'all boys what my mile per gallon is right now, man. I be pushing that bit and I'm talking back. But shit, yeah, bro. Quick little throttle under underpass. No Burble this time. I'm just gonna give you a throttle, like a pull, a growl, a little scrape. No scrapey. Hey, you get that, buddy? Yes, sir. Y'all ready? Sorry, I gotta get the lane real quick, my boy, because everybody else holding me. Like at this nigga, bro. If you don't go already, please don't hold me. All right, here we go. Oh my God, bro. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy, bro. It's only, I mean, like, honestly, bro, you know I can go crazy under that, but I'm chilling. You dig that. You dig what I'm talking about. Like, but yeah, I'm chilling, bro. I'm not, you can hear it with just that, so I'm not really tripping. I'm not really tripping, my guy. But I'ma fuck with y'all boys though, man. It's Hot Tie Chris in this bitch. You already know what the fuck going on, man. Scat Pack Killer. Yes, sir.